Enjoy faster, even cooking for all your family favorites with a Frigidaire wall oven. This video will help you get started with basic features and functions of our most advanced and powerful convection system, Total Convection. Total Convection gives you maximum versatility in the kitchen, powering cooking modes like air fry, no preheat, slow cook, convection bake, steam bake, convection roast, steam roast, air sous vide, bread proof, dehydrate, and more. Customize your cooking experience. Touch menu options and scroll to your desired option. Then, choose an option to set your preference. Some menu options include oven light, clock, and general settings. Touch General Settings to change things like temperature unit, volume, screen brightness, and language preferences. Running a test bake will help you determine if your wall oven is working properly. Set your oven to bake and let it run for 30 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 176 degrees Celsius. Note, it's normal to experience some smoke and noises during this first test bake. Your wall oven may come equipped with glide racks that can be pulled away from the oven without rubbing and scuffing the oven walls. To remove them, make sure the rack is in the closed position. Press the tabs on either side, then grasp both the upper and lower bars of the glide rack. Then, pull the glide rack out until it reaches the stop position, using both hands to lift the front of the rack and pull it away from the oven. To replace the racks, simply reverse the removal process. Cleaning the interior of your oven regularly with mild soap and water or a gentle cleaner like Frigidaire Ready Clean Oven and Microwave Cleaner will help you avoid hard-to-clean baked-on messes. Your oven also comes with 2 cleaning functions. Use the Steam Clean option for smaller spills. For deeper cleaning and baked-on messes, use Self Clean. To use Steam Clean, start by cleaning loose grease and debris from the oven. Then pour 1 cup of tap water into the oven bottom and set the Steam Clean cycle. Make sure you remove all interior racks before starting a Steam Clean or Self Clean cycle. For more information and tips, reference your use and care manual or visit www.frigidaire.com.